Greetings, folks. All right. I'm still in Khoisan, and I just did the mapping Quabbalah video a few minutes ago, and now I'm realizing I left a lot of gaps. So I'm going to try and fill in some of those gaps. Now, the basis of the last video was basically finding resonance with practical life for each letter, building the elements, expressing those elements through that resonance, mapping it practically and acting upon it. All right, and at the end of the video, we sort of finished with the idea that each skill is a potential ascension pathway. This is the part that I need a lot more theory and chat about. Now, what do I mean by potential ascension pathway? When you concentrate your mind at a high level of stillness, so that you're in a state of equanimity and the mind's completely one-pointed, the mind accumulates a very large amount of akasha underneath it. So let's say you're a pianist, a musician, and you put your time into your music. The concentrated mind to refine your music accumulates akasha underneath it. Now, at first, you may not be aware of it if you're highly concentrated on continuous movement of the skill. But if you find that you're able to sit quietly and observe the accumulated akasha underneath concentration, you realize you've done something amazing and tremendous. That there's a wow factor to, look at these beautiful trees, man, incredible. You get this wow factor of underneath my concentration is profound stillness, which comes from the accumulation of akasha. Now that profound stillness, that's your ascension doorway. So you do an activity that you're really good at, very good at concentrating at, and then you're in that flow state. And at the end of that flow state, you pay attention to stillness underneath, and you just simply pay attention to it. That's all. Everything's quiet due to the accumulation of akasha, and you observe it. You don't have to do anything else. And just allow the mind to become the object of your observation, which is the silence. The timeless, spaceless infinity underneath all things, that's the door to God. That's your ascension doorway. And it doesn't require any theory. It doesn't mean you have to be intellectually superior. All it means is that you're paying attention to this profound, timeless, spaceless, infinite mind substance that underlies all of existence. That's it. It's that simple. So find something that you enjoy, concentrate on it in a profound way, get good at it, and it happens to be through mapping Quabbalah and making practical magic a normal part of your life. Do it that way. If it's something else, give 100% of your attention to that thing to get good at it, and then recognize the akasha that's accumulating underneath you doing your best, and then pay attention to the akasha. That is the spiritual doorway. And it's simple. Just do your best at something and recognize the accumulated akasha underneath your best and pay attention to the akasha. And that's where you find God. Okay, so I hope this elucidates a little bit more on mapping Quabbalah and how to use your skills as a path for ascension. Okay, thanks for your time. See you on the next video.